Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install and use Audacity on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Audacity, simply open any browser and visit audacityteam.org. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now to download Audacity for macOS, simply click on this Downloads button. Select your operating system and here you'll find download options for macOS. If you're using Apple Silicon, simply download ARM64 DMG, and if you're using Intel-based Mac, simply download the Intel version. Let me download the file. Here you can see it is downloading. Once it gets downloaded, simply open the file. Here we have the installation window. Simply drag Audacity application to Applications folder. Once the installation has been completed, close it. After that, you can simply open Audacity from the Launchpad. Look for Audacity, or else you can simply search for Audacity. Open it. Give all the required permissions. And after that, you are ready to use Audacity on macOS. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.